This push mower sits in a cold, dark shed all winter. And every year, without fail, the mower has trouble starting the engine. One day, many moons ago, my neighbor's son was struggling. He walked around the fence, pulled out his magic spray, and fixed my mower in less than a minute. He showed me what I now refer to as magic fuel. All you have to do is pop off the air filter and give a couple sprays to the intake. It helps give the engine the little kickstart that it needs to break through the winter seasoning. And once again, the magic fuel has fixed the mower instantly.